never stop with our people. Tractor we go for now, you know. Down the road we're going. So much more charge if we run off a look at it. You see the piece? That is it, man. Probably put the sum in one of our videos. I don't know. Outside. Try to finish up the drive here, our people. I don't know if my can go right. Stop. So you have to hop off a truck, you know. Over. You can't even go from the way there. You can't even turn around and just shove them off. Anything. Oh, okay. Eh? No, to me that time for just turn around and just shove it stuff. I just want to clean up all of that. Oh. Respect that, daddy.
Yeah.
I have money, but I forgot to make it work. I just want a car can drive in now, you know?
Yeah.
And clean up the place, start it idea. Think over if it's nice and easy, man.
Picture your phone.
I reinforce that 2 times.
Yeah.
I couldn't be an idiot with it, man.
Yeah. Yeah, I can come in and go on here to
That's the next. No. Yeah. But it's not gonna be too deep now. Our car out of the road.
Yo, you don't want to too deep now. Not good, yeah.
Oh, okay. Put a concrete up the sun on my can just I said a little bit of concrete up the sun on my can just make them just smooth it off with this and now, you know? No, I not say for all like me, I said just smooth off, you know what I mean? Just a little part of it now. Yeah. She said tractor I can run over it.
Sure, man. That's what I would do.
Uncle. Yeah. Trying to make the driveway for car can drive in. Farther around so. Huh? No, I'm not really dig it down, you know, my pave level it off. So all I have to can level off so car can drive in easier. So now I'm going to go up here so now. I'm bringing in the dirt then. From right there, so. That we are trying for them, man. That's why when I hear the tractor, I'm like, I have to go see how it's traffic. Because I think I'm up to tractor, you know. I say, I have to go see what I go on right there, so I did. Uncle? No tree now cut down, uncle. No tree now get cut down. Right, so the last of the budget. Right, so the last of the budget ends. That is it. You see how I look now?
But the budget I just check further.
No, sir.
Just go on to that now.
But you see how I look now when I drive in now straight now? Yeah. Yeah, a different guy. And I'm a next virgin. Just come come give me a hand. Because we are just going to do it right up to the driveway, to the where block them in. Right, that's how we are do it up to. Yeah, man. I have respect father. Yeah, so now one level to go to pan, ma'am. Because this way there from out the gate right there, you know. You see it there? Yeah. So the dirt, am I gonna do that, man? Am I gonna do that with the thing after? Which part of all cut out, right? Just to go put up a wall down the line. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You see, if it wall up. You see, if it wall up. Because I'm afraid just to go and say, oh, my driver wipe it and it collapse with me now. A year problem with your pit here. I said, brother, we reinforce this pit about 3 times hard, good. Me make sure cup dog and make sure that reinforce. So the thing can drive over it. And he say, you sure? I say, if a pit collapse, I just say, go. We just have to go fix it. That's about it. But I know, say, I have faith in how I cast it over again.
Yeah.
And you come in and then could drive over easily too. Just, I have to just get the pit thing now. So the pit right here, so. And that's about it. The pit cover. That's about it. Yeah. Yeah, I left it for now because we don't have the budget for that now. But just going to make them make one in. This is that be a whole heap of work for a man to just go dig out. Yeah. Oh, yes, sir, uncle. Yeah, man. Yeah, what people so we make it happen again and again and again. You understand? Just like that for people. We make it, yeah. I make it work again with people. Right now we have cut out the driveway. I'm going to finish up now. I'm going to smooth it down. connect up back everything. Remember watch your pit top. Watch the pit top. Oh. Okay. Yeah, man. Now I'm gonna try to straighten out everything. I'm gonna try to get the dirt from right there, so we throw over there, so it can flat off. Yeah. Come again? Yeah, but I don't want really. I don't tell them if you just do one thing already and then charge them for one thing, so I'm not really pressuring because you don't know it's there already. Yeah, yeah, can't overdo it. Yeah, man. So, decide, oh, this about 10 minutes now. Yeah. Yeah, 10 minutes now. 10-15 minutes. Yeah. Another turn around. It's like just a bit of driveway. Come out right way up. Cause I need back some dirt to go back down there, so you know. Yeah. Yeah. You don't need to touch no more right there, so. Yeah?